Today we are going to talk about one of the most common questions in the sugarcane juice industry and market, and that is, should you use peeled or unpeeled sugarcane when making juice? Friends, I will tell you right now that in the world, 50% of the world is juicing with the sugarcane peeled, and 50% of the world is juicing the sugarcane with the skin on it. It's very much a local culture thing and something people have grown up getting sugarcane juice that has the skin on it or that's peeled. But when it comes to practicality of what should you do, if you're trying to make a decision, should you use unpeeled cane or peeled cane, let me give you the pros and the cons of each, okay? When it comes to unpeeled cane, all right, there are a few pros that have to do with unpeeled cane. There is a little more nutrient value in unpeeled cane juice. That's because the skin has some nutrients in it and some which people claim are anti-cancer. Not meaning that the peel doesn't have anti-cancer, but that there's a little bit more if the skin is on the cane, okay? Also, the cane skin, when you juice it out, it will contribute to the color of the juice. The juice normally will take on the color of the skin. So if you have, for example, green cane with a really bright green color, your cane juice is going to be a bright green color. But peeled cane in general usually comes out yellowish green, light green to dark yellow if it is peeled, okay? So again, there's a little bit more nutrient value in unpeeled cane, but there's a lot more cleanup involved. So those are some of the cons. Unpeeled cane will stick to the rollers more. You'll have broken pieces of skin all over you have to deal with, caught in the filter. Your filters will get clogged easier because the skin gets broken off into very small pieces when juicing it out. And if you don't mind cleaning your filters a little bit more often, then unpeeled cane is fine, okay? When it comes to taste, basically the difference is this. This will take away from the intense sweetness of unpeeled cane, okay? So this will give your cane juice a more grassy flavor if you serve the cane juice with the skin on the cane when you press it. This will take away some of the intense grassy flavor and give you more of a sweet, pure sweet flavor when you use this, okay? So, what is right and what is wrong? Nothing is wrong. You can try it both, friends. You can try your cane juice with the skin on it and try it with it being peeled and see which one you like, which one your friends like, which one your customers like. So, friends, there's no right and wrong when it comes to it. It is a matter of how you like it. Now, I want to show you here using our TT400 Mini Pro just so that you can see some aesthetic differences when it comes to the juice in making it, okay? First, I'll put in the unpeeled cane, okay? So you can see here the cane juice. And our TT400 Mini Pro is really great for home use. If you want to do some cane juice experiments or a real small business, this is a perfect machine. All right, turn it on, just press the green button, and you just put your cane stock in, and the rollers will grab it, and the juice will come out, okay? You can see the juice is a yellow color, all right? You see that yellow color? Okay, press the red to stop. All right. Okay. Okay, and the after, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is the peeled cane. You see? You can feel really dry. There is one more benefit to the peeled cane in that it can squeeze out a little bit more juice because the skin will actually block a little bit of the juice from getting out when it's pressed, but not much, friend. It's almost not noticeable unless you are going to be doing many, many liters, okay? So let's take a look at the juice color itself, all right? You see that? Okay, that is the yellowish look. Sometimes it can be a light green, or a yellowish greenish color, okay? So this is the peeled cane juice. All right, now let's check out the cane juice that comes from the unpeeled cane. Friends, this is red cane, okay? So because of the dark color here, the juice is going to take on a color similar to this. If it was green cane, the juice would take on a similar green color. So keep that in mind, that if you're using green cane, it's not going to be the same color juice as with this red cane, all right? Okay, so we will put this in here, put our glass under, turn it on and run our cane through. Okay, I want you to notice the color of the juice. You see that? This is actually coming out a pinkish look. That's pretty cool, huh? All right, it's got a pinkish, almost a chocolate look to it. All right. So now I will show you the cane with the skin on it. You see how the skin is still intact, okay? Now what I was saying is some of the juice can be caught in these fibers here and not 100% of it squeezed out. But friends, still it breaks apart and most all of the juice gets out of the cane, so it's not a big deal. But if you're doing commercial juicing, I would recommend you peel the cane if you're trying to get the highest yield, okay? So there you go, you can see that. All right, now look at the difference in the color, okay? So you see the peeled cane is a bit brighter, okay? And this has some advantages, like if you're using a slushy machine, it looks really good when it freezes up, making cane cubes, ice pops, things like that. The brighter color tends to be more popular. But here you can see it's a real grassy cane, and this is a pinkish brown color that came from the red cane. Now, I know you want me to try it. Actually, I know you want to try it, but you're watching, so I'll try it for you. So here is the peeled cane. Sweet, intensely sweet, not too sweet, but sweet. And the cane juice that had the skin on the cane. Sweet, but grassy. There's a grassy aftertaste in this. The reason that there's color in this is because there's actually millions of pieces of broken skin that have made this darken, because that's the skin inside. Some of it makes it through the microscreen filter. But again, these are fine. This tastes great. You can sell this, you can sell this, and both of them will give you great health, far better than any soft drinks you will ever consume. It's great either way. So friends, today, to answer your question, which is better, peeled or unpeeled cane? The answer is both are great, and it's a matter of your taste and what you like and your customers. Friends, I hope that this information was helpful for you today. Friends, if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button at the end of the video and you can become one of our many subscribers, as we are uploading new things on sugarcane juice almost every week.